Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of running out of ideas for your YouTube videos? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are the top 10 ideas for your next video. 1. Vlogs. Share your daily life with your audience. From your morning routine to your favorite activities, vlogs are a great way to connect with your audience and give them a glimpse into your world. 2. Tutorials. Share your knowledge and expertise with your audience by creating tutorials on a variety of topics, from makeup and beauty to cooking and DIY projects. 3. Challenges. Challenges are a fun way to engage with your audience and showcase your skills. From the Ice Bucket Challenge to the Mannequin Challenge, there are endless possibilities for challenges to create. 4. Reviews. Share your thoughts and opinions on products, movies, or TV shows with your audience. Reviews are a great way to connect with your audience and provide them with valuable information. 5. Q&A. Give your audience a chance to ask you questions and get to know you better by hosting a Q&A video. 6. Collaborations. Collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers to create unique and engaging content for your audience. 7. Time-lapse videos. Showcase your skills and creativity by creating time-lapse videos of your art, photography, or even cooking. 8. Unboxing videos. Share your excitement with your audience as you unbox the latest tech products, beauty products, or even subscription boxes. 9. Parodies. Put your own spin on popular songs, movies, or TV shows to entertain your audience and showcase your sense of humor. 10. Live streams. Connect with your audience in real time by hosting live streams on a variety of topics, from gaming to cooking to Q&A sessions. So, go out there and start filming your next video.